Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Ultimate Guitar application to practice songs and finding the tabs, but recently it started freezing or wouldn't load the tabs at all. So if you are also facing the same kind of problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this issue. First of all, you will have to refresh your internet connection. The Ultimate Guitar needs a strong, stable internet connection to load the tabs, chords and lessons properly. So if you are on Wi-Fi or app isn't loading, you need to just switch to the mobile data. If you are already on mobile, you can try a different Wi-Fi network, or you can try this trick in which you will have to simply swipe down your notification bar, tap on the airplane mode once, then wait for 5 seconds and tap on the airplane mode again. So this will just improve your internet speed, and then you just have to launch the app and check if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply check for the app subscription status. So some tabs and the premium features in the Ultimate Guitar require an active subscription to access. So if your subscription has expired or your payment is failed, it might seem like the app isn't working when it is really a locked access issue. So you just have to simply go to the settings and check for subscription, and if you are able to find the subscription details, you just have to simply renew that. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.